the heck is that? I think he sees me. Where's he going? This is gonna be harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't think he saw me. This is gonna get me. I have to find something to defend myself. What am I gonna choose? Oh. It's perfect. Okay. Now I just gotta wait. I'm gonna give it to him once and for all. There he is. That's him. Holy crap. He's coming. It's a webcam. Dude. Gotta hide, gotta hide. Darn it! How did I miss that gun? That's right. You missed a lot, buddy. You missed. Because I forgot to give you your pine cone back. Holy crap! Katrina! I missed you! Oh my god, I'm so thankful you came! Thank you so much, sir. I'm so glad. Yeah. Oh my god, what'd I do? Idiot. Oh my god! I learned that in guidance class.